Welcome, guys. Time for two stocks which can give a profitable trading in the coming week. Aptiv PLC. We could see that in this particular stock around 160, it's been finding a lot of resistance almost from 6 months, and now it's trying to show some sort of strength with great volumes. The chances are that the stock, once it settles above 160 161, it can go further higher by another couple of dollars, or maybe up to 164 165. So one need to look at this opportunity once it settles above 160 161 with volume. This is possible in the current week. Now AMD. Now we are finding that IT sector is going to be very good. It's already made all-time high and seems to be it's going to be more stronger as earnings will be pouring in. One of the interesting stock, AMD, it's crossed this 78.6% Fibonacci with a great volume. Any dip towards 88 and 90 and even maybe 94 for very risky traders can be an opportunity to consider playing between this range on the long side. Higher side resistances is 95.80 and 99. So these levels can be looked at, and a dip can be an opportunity to go long. Last week we suggested eBay, which has done extremely well, and also CRISPR, which also has come out with some news and also have moved around 10% in that particular week, though during that particular week it almost moved around 20% and then settled with a 10% profitability compared to last week. The sectors which are going to be strong and which have shown a lot of strength in the last week has been healthcare. Healthcare is continuously making all-time high again and again. Now even consumer discretionary sector, it's made all-time high. We could see that in this particular week consumer discretionary has crossed all-time high and even settled at all-time high. So focusing on consumer discretionary stocks can also be a great opportunity in the coming week. Hope to have a very profitable week ahead, and earnings will start pouring in, a lot of activity in the market and good opportunities to trade in the coming week.